Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to do a multi-game parlay on BetMGM. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your web browser, then on the search bar type in betmgm.com. Once you press enter, it will ask you to select your location, so from this list, select your location correctly. Once you get to this page, you'll have to log into your account, and if you don't have an account yet, you can create one by clicking on this register button. Once you get your account, click on this button, and then it will ask you to enter your login credentials. Once you enter those, click on the login button, and if you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link to reset it. Now once you are logged into your account, to do a multi-game parlay, all you have to do is spread your odds across different games. For example, I'll go to football, and then I'll select this match, and then I'll place a bet on this one, and then I'll go to a different game. For example, basketball. I'll just click on this NBA. Then I'll select this game. And then I'll select this odd. Just like this, you can add up to 15 different odds. Let me show you another one. I'll just click on soccer. And then I'll select this match. After that, I'll select on this odd. Then it will be added into my bet slip. And as you can see, this shows parlay on this section. Now, all you have to do is enter your stake on this box. After that, you'll have to make a deposit and then place a bet. Once you place a bet, if you win all these odds, your amount will be multiplied, and if you tend to lose any one of these, then you'll lose the bet. So that's how it works. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.